Hi, everyone, and welcome to Marchborns Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to use the One-Tab to-do list, a simple, powerful way to organize your entire life in one place. We're going to set up your tasks in clear sections so nothing feels overwhelming and you always know what to do next. First, we'll build your weekday task list so each day has its own focus. Then, we'll add your everyday routine, the habits and tasks you do daily. Next, we'll organize your biweekly tasks, followed by your monthly to-dos, quarterly tasks, and semi-annual check-ins. We'll also include your annual tasks and, finally, special one-time tasks with due dates, so nothing ever slips through the cracks. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clean and efficient system that keeps your schedule clear, your routines consistent, and your life running smoothly, all in one simple tab. Let's get started. This One-Tab to-do list template is available in both Excel and Google Sheets, and it comes in light mode and dark mode, so you can choose the style you prefer. In this tutorial, I'll be using the Google Sheets version, but don't worry, the Excel version works exactly the same. The only difference is that in Excel, instead of a checkbox to mark tasks complete, you'll have a tick mark dropdown. Everything else functions the same way, so you can follow along no matter which version or spreadsheet tool you're using. So, let's get started and walk through each section of the template step by step. Weekly Task Section. At the top, you'll find the weekday task list. This section helps you assign a focus for each day of the week, so you always know what to work on. Simply list tasks under the day they belong to. As you complete each item, check the box to mark it done. Now, let's start adding example tasks to the weekly section. For Monday, I'll enter Weekly Goal Review. And next, review finances and payments. For Tuesday, I'll add a few focus day tasks. Work on primary project, content creation/research, update project tracking sheet. For Wednesday, I'm adding follow-up and communication tasks. Client follow-ups, team check-ins/status update, respond to pending emails. For Thursday, I'll enter strategy and growth tasks. Review analytics and performance, plan content or marketing strategy, brainstorm new ideas. For Friday, let's add wrap-up tasks. Weekly progress review, plan next week, organize files/clear inbox. For Saturday, I'll add personal and home tasks. Grocery shopping, laundry and folding, home cleaning reset. For Sunday, I'll enter reset and rest tasks. Plan weekly schedule, meal planning/prep, light cleaning and relaxation. When you finish entering your tasks, go ahead and check the box next to each one as you complete it, and simply uncheck them at the start of each new week. Now, let's move to the daily routine section. Here we enter tasks we repeat every single day. I'll start with morning routine. Then I'll add check daily priorities and planner. Next, I'll type hydrate 2 to 3 liters of water. And continuing with 30-minute exercise/walk, work block/focus session, lunch break, screen-free, evening tidy-up, daily reflection/gratitude. When you finish entering your daily tasks, go ahead and check the box for the day as you complete it, and simply uncheck them at the start of each new week. Next, let's enter our biweekly tasks, things you do twice a month. I'll add the first task, deep clean fridge. Then I'll enter change bed sheets. And one more, organize one drawer/shelf. Next, I'm typing review expenses and receipts, social media scheduling check, wash car/bike, call or check in with family, personal grooming/maintenance. Check off tasks as you complete them and uncheck again during the next bi-weekly cycle. Now for the monthly task section. I'll start typing pay bills and update budget. Next, I'll add review monthly goals and progress. Third item, declutter one-room zone. Then I'll enter refresh wardrobe, review subscriptions, analyze business or content insights, schedule monthly self-care day, reset calendar for next month. Moving to the quarterly tasks. I'll enter the first one, quarterly goal review and planning. Then adding deep clean home areas. Another one, financial check-in and tax prep review. Next tasks, digital declutter, laptop and phone, review investments and savings, Update systems/templates. Evaluate growth metrics. Seasonal home maintenance check. Now for semi-annual tasks, twice a year. Typing the first one. Medical/dental checkup. Next. Wardrobe deep clean and donation. Then. Deep clean bedding/replace pillows. Continuing with. Carpets and upholstery cleaning. Major financial review. Backup important documents. Home appliance servicing. Subscription audit. Next section, annual tasks. Entering. Tax filing and financial statement review. Next. Renew ID, licenses, or insurance. Then. Annual health exam. Continuing with. Plan travel and annual events. Backup all digital files. Year-end vision and goal planning. Home maintenance inspection. Gift planning/major celebrations. Finally, we'll add special or one-time tasks with due dates. I'll type. Passport renewal, December 12th. Then add. School enrollment, April 15th. Next. Doctor appointment, January 18th. Continuing. Event booking, February 03. Visa application, June 30. Car service, NOV 20. Conference date, August 10. Gift shopping, September 5th. These are one-time deadlines you don't want to forget. The monthly, quarterly, semi-annual, annual, and special task sections are designed to help you stay organized across the entire year. Simply tick the checkbox for the month, quarter, or category when you complete each task. When you are planning for the next year, you don't need to rebuild anything. Just go to File, make a copy, and duplicate the spreadsheet. That way, you can start fresh and continue your planning seamlessly year after year. You can also use this template for cleaning schedules, life planning, business routines, home management tasks, or any type of task list that fits your lifestyle. It's flexible, reusable, and designed to keep everything in one simple place. And that's it. Your one-tab to-do system is now fully set up and ready to use. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore more templates and productivity tools from Marchborns on Etsy. See you in the next tutorial.